Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to add a custom menu link inside GoHighLevel. Now custom menu links are basically shortcuts that you can add to left sidebar of your GoHighLevel dashboard. Then these shortcut links can direct you to specific websites, tools or resources. So you won't have to go to multiple tabs. You will simply click on custom menu link that will appear here to access to whatever you want directly. Now let's say you have a sales team member and you want to give him a quick access to sales tracking spreadsheet. So you will need to add a custom menu link here for that specific sales tracking spreadsheet. For that, go to agency dashboard, then go to settings and click on custom menu links. And here, first of all, you will add any of the icon for your custom menu link. Let's say we select this one. Then you will give it a name. Let's say it's sales tracking spreadsheet. Next, you will add a URL for that specific spreadsheet. So we will copy this link and we will add here. You can add any other link like a website link or a group link or any other resources. You can add that links here. But for now, as we are adding a sales tracking spreadsheet, so we will add its URL. Then we have visibility settings where you can allow this option if you want this custom menu link to appear on agency sidebar. But right now, as we just want to add sales spreadsheet for a specific sub account, so we will not allow this option. Next, if you want this custom menu link to appear on any of your account sidebar, then you can allow this option. So I will allow this option. And next, you will select the sub account for which you want this custom menu link to appear on sidebar. Next, you can allow this option if you want your custom menu link to be shown on all of your sub accounts, which we want as this link is specific to one of our sub account. So for now, we won't allow this option. So basically, these visibility settings make sure that your staff members only see the links that are relevant to them. So it will be super helpful for you. Next, you will be asked on-click option, which defines how custom menu link will appear when your team members will click on this custom menu link. You can either open it in a new tab or you can open it in a current window of GoHighLevel. It's completely up to you how you want it to appear for your team members. And then click on save button. Now if you go back to sub account which we selected for the custom menu link, then you can see here the custom menu option on the sidebar at the bottom. And if you click on this custom menu link or custom menu option, a spreadsheet will appear in a new tab. And you can also add websites or any social media group or any other resources for your clients or staff members inside your agency account or any of your sub account. And that's it. This is how you will add a custom menu link inside GoHighLevel. You can save this playlist for free online GoHighLevel complete course. And if you have any queries about GoHighLevel, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.